a big, fat, massive congratulations on your graduation day. Nahuman ra gyud pi ang upat ka tuig nga pag-antos kaloy sa Ginoo. And since I cannot be there on your graduation day, so I made a small surprises just for you. So I collected videos from friends and families and also from your ninangs. So here they are. Watch the videos. Love you.
Happy graduation, Kenneth. Enjoy and congratulations.
Hi Kenneth, this is Bert. O gamit ko sa imong mama diri sa England. O happy graduation day. Palo ko nga this is the beginning of your journey in life. So napay mga umaabot nga pagsubok o mga challenges sa kinabuhi. Kaya na with the help of our Jesus Christ and of course with your mom and backup. Kana permi sa imong kinabuhi. Happy graduation day again.
Happy graduation day, Kenneth.
Hi Ken! Congratulations! You made it! Yay! All your sacrifices and hard work paid off. Always believe in yourself, trust in God, and never give up. Keep dreaming and soar high. Congrats!
Hi Ken, good day to you. This is your Ninang Agnes. Congratulations nga pala sa achievement mo. And I'm praying to God that He will guide you to your next journey. And again, good luck and God bless you.
Kenneth, good morning Palangga. Congratulations Ken. You are a great successful man na.
Ken, congratulations, keep it up. Good luck in your next journey. Sakay na kang barko.
Hi, Ken. Congratulations. Daghang salamat na naningkamot ka sa pag-eskwela. Salamat sa Ginoo na humanagyo ka. Ang ako lang na